So today we are going to solve the Rubik's Cube. As you can see, we have different parts of the Rubik. So we are going to start with the white part, solving this side as white. So we're going first to make here white, here white, here white, and here white. So we are going to turn like this. There is a white here, and then another white. There is a white, and then here we need a white. Where can we find it? It's here. You can find it by turning this side. Then we make a white again here. Again we can make another white here. It's here. So I'm going to turn it this way. So we have made our cross white this side. Then the next thing we are going to match this white, we are going to match with our orange side, which is here. So we have orange and white, and then we are going to turn it down. The other one is green, we are going to turn it down. The other one is blue, there we are going to turn it downward. Again another red and blue, we are going to turn it downward. So we have our cross. Our next move is we are going to fill here with white, 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 white. Okay, the white we are going to fill it from this one. This one is red and blue. Which red and blue is here? Red and blue and red here. Then we are going to perform right algorithm. Right algorithm is basically just moving this side, and then you match, turn it down. Yeah, we have our first white. The same process repeats itself. Green and orange here, and then you're going to move it that way. The same process repeats. Now here you can see it's here. You cannot perform right or left algorithm, but we can also take we can perform just right algorithm, move it that side, that way. Then you have here green, our green and red. Green and red, it's supposed to be here, so perform right algorithm. Again here we can perform right algorithm. Blue and orange here, we perform left algorithm like that. Correct. So the next thing we are going to fill this side. So this sides we are going to fill it. As you can see here down it's solved, and you can see this one is white solved with this one. Then this one is orange solved with this one. The middle one. This one is blue, white. They are solved. You can see. Now the next thing is to solve this side. This one, this one, this one, and this one. As you can see, this one here we have orange and green. We are going to match it with orange. So this one is all orange and green. So we are going, as you can see, this one is supposed to be here, orange and green. So we are going to move away, and then after moving that away, we are going to perform left algorithm. Okay, and then again you can see white here is displaced. We are going to return it by right algorithm. Okay, so again we are going to perform the same procedure. Like this one is green, we are going to to perform to move sideways. Again, we're going to return it this way, right algorithm. Okay, again, the same procedure repeats itself. As you can see, this one is solved, also this one is solved, the remaining is solving this one. Now we have here blue and red. Blue and red, we are going to move, it's supposed to be here, we are going to move away, then perform right algorithm, again left algorithm. Now we are going to solve another orange and blue. Orange and blue, orange and blue is orange, orange is here, and then we have blue here. Move away, then we solve it like that. Okay, we have another one. Now you can notice that this one here, it has yellows, but we need yellows to be on top, so we are going to perform the same function that we performed. We are going to push by left finger and then left algorithm. You can notice this one is displaced, we have to return it by right algorithm. Okay, now this one, we have blue and red, we are going to match it with red. Then here we have blue, this side also we have blue, so we are going to move away, then perform left algorithm. You can see it has been displaced, so we are going to return it by right algorithm. Okay, now the next thing, you can see this one, you see this part here, it's already solved. The remaining part is on top, is on top, but this one on top, you can notice that there is a line here of yellow, but we need to make a cross. Making a cross, we have to perform an algorithm called Nicholas. As you can see, you can either hold it this way or this way, so you can hold it this way or this way, this cross. Okay, okay, so we have to perform Nicholas, of which is this way. We turn the front, this front one. Okay, you have seen that is the front one, and then you do the right algorithm. Okay, right algorithm, and then return these whites down. Okay, and then you have your cross, a nice cross. Okay, the next thing, we need to align these ones. We need to align them. Aligning them means that you take the same side of this one. This one is already aligned. This one is aligned. Also this one is aligned. This one is aligned. Okay. So our problem is half solved. So the next thing is to align this one. These are corners. We need to align these are corners. These are corners. How will we align them? We are going to align them by another move, whereby you will notice that there is a corner. These corners, like this one is improper. It's not supposed to be here. As well as this one. But look at this one. This one we have orange. and blue. Here we have blue and orange, meaning that if this one was just displaced like this, it will be right, but we should not do that. So we are going to hold this one to our left hand like this, and then we are going to perform another move whereby you push this one, our first column, this one to the right. Again you push by the left finger, okay, then you push this one, you turn the right finger, then you push it down. The same one, this one, down, okay, and then you return, you align the good. So you notice that this one is not yet aligned, this one is not yet aligned, also this one. So you have to repeat the same move. This one, 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 this one. Is it aligned? This one, is it aligned? Yes. You can notice this is red and this side is red. This is blue and this side is blue. This is red, this is red, this is green, this is green. And we have yellow. Yellow is supposed to be on top. The same way this is orange, this is orange, this is green, this is green. Okay, now we can perform our last move. You overturn it so that it faces down, the unsolved part. The solved part to be on top. And then now you are going to choose a side like this one. This is yellow, and we are going to solve it from here. We are going to move it upward. We are going to perform a right algorithm. Then complete right algorithm. Okay, complete right algorithm. Okay. Then we have to turn this one until the yellow part faces us. We do complete right algorithm. 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 Okay. The problem is half solved. We have to finish with the yellows. Complete right algorithm. Complete right algorithm. Complete right algorithm. Complete right algorithm. Okay. Let me finish with the last one. Complete right algorithm. Complete right algorithm. Okay.